Jen, welcome to Blythe Bags. And today is a special video. It is a collaboration with my friend Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture. She's lovely. If you haven't seen her channel, she unboxes everything luxury. So not just dolls and bags, but perfumes and scarves and jewelry. She's got a lovely channel. So please check out her channel. And this is a collaboration between Dawn and I. And this is my very first Petite Blythe. So I swore that I was not going to get into the Petite Blythe or the Midi Blythe. And so far I haven't, except for this one. And the reason you see Feel the Sky next to me here is because this is her little mini matcher. So Feel the Sky, I've unboxed her on this channel. She was from January of '07. And this doll was also, this little petite, was also released in January of '07. Now, the petite Blythes are 4 inches. Then there's like a 8 inch, I think the midi Blythe are 8 inches. And then the Neo Blythes are the full size and they're 11.5 inches. So I got this off of Zen Market and it was only like $36. So I figured, well, for $36, let's go ahead and give it a try because she actually has the same uniform on as the Neo Blythe size. So let's go ahead and see what she looks like out of the box. I am concerned because Dawn opened up a Petite Blythe. I think she was a year older. I think she was 2006. And her hip joint crumbled, which can happen with these older dolls. They haven't been moved or played with. And even I've noticed, like, even brand new in box, never removed from box Neo Blythes, like some of the '03 and '04 dolls, like their joints are stiff. Their arms don't really move very well. Like, we got to kind of loosen them up. So she's never been removed from box. She's brand new, but let's see what kind of condition she's in because it's my first Petite Blythe and I'm really not sure what we're going to find. Okay, so I'm just going to open her at the desk because I don't really know what I'm working with here. So, and they wrap this up pretty good for a tiny little thing. Okay, well, she looks really cute. Now, the little petites, they don't have any eye cord mechanism, but their eyes do get sleepy if you move them. And there she is. See, inside the box, she looks great, but let's see what she looks like when we get her out of the box. I don't think I need that. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to move the camera and put it close so that you can see because I don't know what I'm going to find. The tape looks really old that's in here, and I've not seen that on any items taped in any of the big Neo boxes. So the tape was broken down. So let's see what happens with the doll. Okay, let's see what happens when we get her out. There she is. She's so cute. See her little eyes close. Okay, so I don't even know how to tackle this because I've never done this before. Okay, so and you see how the tape is it's not even stick anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this as gentle as possible and hope that she's still together at the hip. Okay, so far so good. There she is, and her little eyes are closed. I don't know why they don't. How do you open them? Okay, now they're open. And she seems to be okay. I'm going to put her on her stand. She came with a lot of accessories. And she came with a little pilot outfit and a pilot captain's hat and a extra pair of shoes and a little pink dress. And she even has a tiny little passport, which is really cute. I'm going to put it in her bag, but she has this teeny tiny little passport. But she looks to be okay. I'm going to put her in the stand and then put her things away because I don't need all this stuff out and about. And then I'm going to show you the bag. Okay, well, here she is with her little bag and her outfits on. And here's her little like pilot's outfit and a cute little pink dress. Oh, it has a thing up top there. And that's all of her stuff. She seems to be okay. And now I'm going to show you the bag. Well, actually, let's put her next to her big matcher there. Okay, let me go ahead and get the bag. Okay, we've seen the Blythe. Now let's see the bag. This bag is a vintage crew bag for Japan Airlines. And the date is, they couldn't give me an exact date. They said it was the late 60s, early 70s. So this was actually used by the crew of JAL. And I love Japan Airlines. It is the cleanest, nicest airline. The food is fantastic. We usually do like economy, like the economy plus, I think, or premium economy. The food is excellent. Like not even business class, and you're getting cloth napkins and actual like ceramic, little ramekins and things with your food in it. So it's very nice. And actual silverware. It's not plastic. It's a very nice. And I'll put some pictures. I actually flew them multiple times, but I did fly them when I went for my Olympics training because when we lived in Florida, there's no direct flights from Orlando. So I prefer to fly JAL, but you have to fly like American to Dallas or like a connector city, and then you can get on JAL. Here, going from the Northeast, there's a lot of direct flights. Most of them are United, like the flight that we like is a United flight. So I don't fly JAL out of the Northeast because I don't want to connect if I don't have to. But if we're moving back to Florida, and we may be, I keep saying this, it's like we're waiting here, but things take time, I guess. It's not like it used to be when you're trying to get a transfer or get a job somewhere else. It takes forever. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. I'm very curious because I said it was in excellent condition. And I don't even know if it's ever been taken out of this packaging or not. I don't think it has been. Like this may have just been an extra crew bag that somebody never. Oh, it's brand new. I could tell just by looking at it. It feels brand new. Oh, it's really nice. Nice little crew bag. Where's the zipper? Here it is. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's brand new. Nobody's ever used it. It's really cool because I thought maybe I would use this for my when I go to the Blythe Summit, when I go to Japan, I could put one of my Blythes in here. I would love to bring Feel the Sky, but she's very valuable. She doesn't come up very often. And I would kind of be afraid of something were to happen to her. So maybe I'll look for the, sometimes you can find just the outfits, just the clothing, the stock online. And maybe I'll get an extra set of stock and put it on one of my other dolls and bring it. But if I fly JAL, I would love to bring this bag and have it with me. And it's really not that exciting up close, but I'll show you the inside of the bag. It's literally brand new. Nobody, it was sealed in that package, and this must have just been somebody's extra crew bag, and they never opened it. But it looks great, and it has a nice little pocket in the front here. Very cool. Sugoi desu ne, which means Sugoi is cool or awesome. So let me go ahead now and style these two lovely crew ladies, but they're on Royal Blythe Airlines, so not JAL. But I thought it was a good match, and they're just both so cute. And I hope you enjoyed watching today, and we will see you the next time.